Eastern Daylight Time. At 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were
located along the line extending
from 8 miles northeast of Uptown Charlotte to 10 miles northwest of Monroe, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
in half dollar size, actually,
Radar
but
indicated. Impact.
not actually.
Damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Pleasant, University City, Lake Park, West Concord, Gold Hill, Mid Hill, High Rock Lake, Northeast Charlotte, Henry Bridge, and Eden Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Mecklenburg, Glen, and Union.
This is typical. GS take a piss.
The National